Will OSSI 3 eventually be completely replaced by OSSI 5?
With traditional digital I/O modules, OSSI 5 connection is often slightly more expensive than with OSSI 3. Therefore, OSSI 3 usually remains the more cost-effective option, especially for small applications with few inputs and outputs. The cost advantages of OSSI 5, on the other hand, are particularly evident in applications with a larger number of inputs and outputs. In such cases, multiple OSSI 3 modules can often be replaced by a single OSSI 5 module. While an OSSI 3 AB address can be used to implement a maximum of 4 I4O, an OSSI 5 address can transmit up to 16 I/O. This results in savings in terms of hardware, installation costs, and the number of OSSI addresses required per circuit. The cost advantages of OSSI 5 become even more apparent when safety signals need to be integrated alongside standard I/O. For example, the OSSI 5 Safety I/O module in IP20 features 14 safe inputs and 2 safe electronic outputs, yet occupies only a single OSSI 5 address. A comparable solution using OSSI 3 would require at least 9 single addresses and 2 AB addresses.
For more information, visit our website or get in touch with us.